Hey, let me show you two ways how we can copy and paste on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first of all, in the most cases when you open any website, you can just simply click and hold something. And now you should get this selection marker and you can simply click copy. And now if I want to paste this, I have to open just notes or whatever. And you should get this quick recommendation here and tap on it. But if you don't have it, click on this icon and go into your, it's called, I just forgot what is the name of this one, but basically here you can find everything that you have copied and you can quickly paste it. Or you can click and hold in the field pool like this one, and now you should click paste. But what if you want to copy something that it's like if I want to copy something from the screen, as you can see, if I'm gonna click and hold it, I'm unable to do this, but you have to click and hold just over here at the bottom of your screen. Now you should get this animation, and this is the circle to search. And this one will allows us to copy any phrases on the phone. Take a look. And now we can also copy. Now go to the search bar, click and hold, and select paste.